Welcome back, guys, to another day of Christine's Jamaican Living. So today I have my little beauty right here, and she wants to get a silk press. But before I get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as I have more wonderful videos available. Go ahead and do that right this second, right now. Not a minute later, but right now. And for all who have done, welcome, guys. Welcome. Okay, guys, so Kimberly's already shampooed and conditioned, and you know I always clean the scalp, shampoo her hair. I use a clarifying shampoo, then I went in with moisturizing shampoo. I did a little bit of tea tree also, you know, a little bit of tea tree, really good, and it gives her that little tingling feeling, and they love it. And do my moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, and here she is, ready to be blow dried. What I normally do when I have a client that sits in my chair that has so much hair, I usually section it into 4 sections. I just left this section down, but I usually do it in 4 sections. It's easier for you to manage. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna add some of my protective shield guard right here, so it help with the heat, so we don't get no heat damage. So it help to protect the hair. So you just want to add, you know, a small amount in your palms of your hand. Rub it, then apply it. When I put my product in, I just comb it through. Finish blow drying. At this point, I'm gonna spray another protective thermal spray on it. The one that I used before was a cream. Have my flat iron, my rat tail comb, my clips. I'm gonna start from the back. You don't want to do big chunks. You want to do small sections. Put your rat tail comb in, because this is going to help you to glide the hair. We normally use this rat tail comb so we don't burn the person, and it helps to guide the hair all the way down. put it at the base. Rat tail home, hold the hair in place for you. You just slide. Okay, we finished with the flat iron process. Now we're gonna trim the ends. You see these ends here? We're gonna trim the ends. Yes, you got some ends. We're gonna get rid of these ends. So I'm using some Mazani serum so the hair doesn't frizz up. Keep the frizzes away. Just want to get it in. Ooh, see? Silky. Ooh, Kimmy. Ooh, Miss Kimberly is silky. Silky smooth. Miss Kimberly is finished. Her silk press is popping. Don't you think? Look, and I just trimmed her ends. Just give her a little bit of trim. She hasn't gotten a trim in such a long time. So we did a trim. And yes, honey, look at Miss Kimberly. You can't chat to her then now, you know. She thinks she is the bomb. Eh, Miss Kimberly? Think she had the bomb, you know. Look. You can't tell. You would think she has a relaxer going on, right, guys? Full of shine and everything. Look at all that sheen. Shiny, beautiful. Kimberly and our silk pressy. Lord, Miss Kimmy. Anyways, guys, guess what? I'm gonna catch you now in my next video. And you know, me may be in the kitchen, me may be in the backyard, or you know, I don't know. I may be somewhere else, but guess what? Me will catch you in my next video. So guess what? Bye!